3 months ago, I made a popular scratch shooting game tutorial, but then I kept getting the same question. Your game was so nice, but how do I show game over when I missed the balloon? Today, we're fixing that. By the end of this video, you will learn step by step how to add a game over screen for this game. Let's do it. Now, let's go back to our shooting game. If you haven't watched the original tutorial yet, make sure you check that video first. The first question you should ask yourself is, how do you want to end the game? Every game needs a condition. Something must happen to trigger game over. In our shooting game, we're going to make it simple and clear. If you miss 3 balloons, the game ends. Now we need to track how many balloons we missed. We need to create a new variable called missed and set initial missed value to 0. Then, whenever the balloon reaches the top of the screen, increase missed value by 1. To end the game, use a forever loop when green flag is clicked. If miss equal to 3, broadcast a game over message. And when I receive the game over message, stop the game. Now it's time to add the game over screen. You can upload a game over sprite or draw your own. When the green flag is clicked, set its initial position and make sure it hides at the beginning. Then, when I receive the game over message, go to the front layer and make it show. And that's it. This is how you make the game over screen. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. I will see you in the next game.